Ever feel like air travel is a mystery wrapped in overpriced coffee and endless security lines? If you dread rushing through terminals or loathe watching your wallet shrink at concession stands, this video is your treasure map. Whether you're a road warrior aiming to optimize every minute, between meetings or a vacationer craving a smoother journey, you're about to uncover 17 airport and airline secrets they'd never whisper to the public. Ready to fly smarter, healthier, and wealthier? Hit subscribe and ring that bell so you're always first in line for insider travel hacks. Chapter 1. The Surveillance Seat. Surprise. Picture yourself flopping down on a plush bench beside a charging station, grateful for the momentary respite. What you don't see are tiny lenses and discreet microphones embedded in the armrests. Airports install these smart seats in strategic locations near security checkpoints and critical choke points, so intelligence teams can track crowd behavior, detect anomalies, and coordinate responses behind the scenes. Whether it's noticing a travel group's unusual movement pattern or intercepting whispered conversations that hint at prohibited items, those comfy-looking seats are far more than rest stops. Next time you settle in to recharge, remember you could be under observation. So avoid airing personal details or business secrets in that controlled zone. Chapter 2. Carpeted Compliance. You barely register the shift beneath your feet until you hit the thick carpet right before the X-ray machines. That momentary pause in your stride is no accident. Known in design psychology as cognitive friction, the sudden change from slick tiles to plush carpet induces a split-second hesitation in your mind. This micro-pause makes you more amenable to instructions, whether it's removing shoes, placing liquids in a bin, or splitting up carry-ons. Airports calibrate this effect to maintain order and reduce rushed behavior when security demands strict compliance. Now that you recognize this subconscious nudge, you can assert your pace, request clarification if staff rush you, and stay in control of your journey. Chapter 3. The Germ-spa Water Fountain. Post-security thirst can be brutal, and that gleaming water fountain looks like salvation. Yet studies have revealed that many airport drinking fountains go for months without a thorough cleaning. Hidden nozzles, damp basins, and infrequent maintenance create a microbial playground where bacteria and mold flourish. Drinking from these fountains can expose you to pathogens that lead to stomach upsets or worse. Instead, invest in a reusable water bottle with a built-in filter. Fill it at a clean restroom, sink before departure, or purchase a factory-sealed bottle from a reputable airport vendor. It's a small step that safeguards your health and spares you an inconvenient trip to the terminal pharmacy. Chapter 4. VIPs and watch lists. You might think anonymity reigns at crowded terminals, but airlines and airport authorities share passenger profiles constantly. Frequent flyers, credit card VIPs, and individuals flagged for past incidents get discreet alerts delivered to gate agents and cabin crews. If you've ever snapped at an agent during a delay, argued about baggage fees, or caused a security exception, your record might trigger subtle extra scrutiny next time. Staff might greet you with a complimentary beverage to smooth tensions, or they could quietly position extra eyes around you. Recognizing this network of shared data helps you stay mindful of your behavior and, when necessary, request respectful treatment. Chapter 5. Luggage's Solo Sky Tour. You hand over your checked bag, expecting it to mingle with the rest, but behind the scenes, it often takes a solo detour. Advanced Explosive Detection Systems (EDS) route certain pieces onto isolated conveyors for intensive scanning. These machines use a combination of X-ray imagery, chemical sniffers, and AI algorithms to identify potential threats hidden within layers of clothing or nested compartments. While your earrings and souvenirs aren't judged, anything out of the ordinary, like unlabeled powders or dense electronics, can trigger a secondary inspection. If you glimpse your bag traveling alone on a separate belt, don't panic. It's simply undergoing a meticulous safety check designed to keep everyone on board secure. Chapter 6. The Overbooking Playbook. Few experiences feel as infuriating as standing At the gate, ticket in hand, only to hear there's no seat for you. Airlines intentionally overbook flights, selling more tickets than seats available based on decades of passenger no-show data and proprietary algorithms. Their calculations predict exactly how many travelers will miss their flight, maximizing revenue at the risk of occasional bumping. If you ever volunteer to take a later flight, negotiate for travel vouchers, hotel accommodations, or meal coupons. And to reduce your chances of being bumped, check in as early as possible, select seats in advance, and consider flexible tickets that allow easy rebooking without penalties. Chapter 7. Death in the air code words. It's a grim reality, but fatalities can occur at altitude. Instead of alarming passengers, cabin crews rely on coded phrases to communicate serious incidents discreetly. Words like Operation Sunrise or innocuous-sounding names over the PA system signal a medical emergency or death on board. This coded approach maintains calm among travelers, prevents panic, and allows crew members to coordinate with ground support seamlessly. If you ever catch wind of such terminology, resist the urge to share rumors. Trust that the staff is managing the situation with professionalism and compassion. Chapter 8. ATM Fee Ambush. That bright, flashing airport ATM promises convenience, but it comes at a steep price. Hidden withdrawal fees, punitive exchange rates, and bank surcharges can erode up to 15% of your cash before you even reach your destination. To keep your funds intact, secure foreign currency at a local bank in your departure city, often at significantly better rates, or use a debit card designed for international travel with no ATM fees abroad. Planning ahead ensures you spend on experiences instead of banking penalties. Chapter 9. The Flying Petri Dish. Quick wipe down of tray tables and armrests barely scratches the surface. Commercial jets only receive deep cleanse, steam washing carpets, sanitizing air vents, and replacing filters once a month or less. Meanwhile, hundreds of passengers pass through each cabin daily, touching overhead bins, tray tables, seatbelt buckles, and hundreds of germ-laden surfaces. Defend yourself by carrying disinfectant wipes to clean high-touch areas, practicing regular hand hygiene with sanitizer, and avoiding face touching. It might feel obsessive, but it's a powerful defense against travel-borne illnesses. Chapter 10. Airport Markup Madness. Airports exploit their captive audiences by marking up every product, from water bottles to newspapers to sky-high prices. Studies show terminal retail and dining can cost up to 200% more than street-level prices. Once you're past security, you're essentially a prisoner with thin walls and no alternatives. Bypass this cost trap by packing snacks, charging an empty water bottle through security, and choosing airport lounges for included meals. Your bank account will thank you, and you'll avoid the frustration of paying restaurant prices for a sad pre-packaged sandwich. Chapter 11. The Lost Luggage Auction. Unclaimed suitcases aren't stored indefinitely. After a holding period, usually between 60 and 90 days, airports auction these forgotten bags to recoup storage costs. You could unearth designer clothing, electronic gadgets, or a stack of vintage vinyl records. To avoid joining the ranks of lost luggage owners, attach a robust luggage tag with multiple forms of contact information inside and out. Photograph the contents of your bag before checking it, and consider travel insurance that covers loss and theft. That way, even if your suitcase slips through the cracks, you're prepared for recovery or compensation. Chapter 12. Lounge Access Hacks. You don't need a first-class ticket to lounge like royalty. Most major hubs offer day passes to premium clubs for a reasonable fee, and many credit cards include complimentary or discounted access as a perk. Step into a world of plush seating, complimentary food and beverages, showers and fast Wi-Fi instead of competing for gate seating. Taking advantage of these lounges during long layovers or delayed flights can reduce stress, recharge devices, and provide a quiet workspace, often for less than the cost of one overpriced airport meal. Chapter 13. Padded Flight Times. Ever celebrated an early arrival only to realize your watch didn't budge? Airlines build extra time into scheduled flight duration to offset unpredictable factors, air traffic, weather, or ground handling delays. By padding published schedules, they boost on-time performance statistics. That way, a flight arriving 5 minutes early looks like a triumph, even if it landed exactly when it was supposed to. Next time you spot an early touchdown, remember it may simply be runway math working in your favor. Chapter 14. Pilot Power Naps. On ultra-long-haul flights, pilots and co-pilots take regulated rest breaks in hidden bunks or curtained-off areas away from passengers. Rotation schedules ensure someone is always alert at the controls while others recharge. This practice, overseen by aviation authorities, prevents fatigue and maintains peak focus during critical flight phases. If you ever see what appears to be a pilot napping near the cockpit, rest assured it's part of a carefully orchestrated safety protocol. Never neglect or dismiss the importance of that rest break. Chapter 15. Ghost Flights. Sometimes you'll spot an almost empty plane taxiing down the runway. These ghost flights exist to help airlines retain valuable airport slots. Regulations at busy airports require carriers to fly a certain percentage of scheduled services or risk losing their allocated takeoff and landing rights. Even if demand is low, airlines fly these nearly vacant aircraft to secure those slots for busier periods. So next time you see an empty cabin, know it's a strategic play to maintain future access, not a sign of mismanagement. Chapter 16. The Security Line Snare. Airport security thrives on controlled chaos. Signage, staff placements, and partition layouts are all tweaked regularly to thwart queue jumping and manage passenger flow. Lane configurations change daily and sometimes hourly to maintain fairness and order. The fastest way through is enrollment in trusted traveler programs, TSA PreCheck, global entry, nexus, or local equivalents, which grant you dedicated lanes, fewer removal requirements, and faster processing. A modest membership fee can save you hours of waiting over multiple trips. Chapter 17. Boarding Group Bluff. Airlines use complex boarding group schemes to reward frequent flyers and upsell priority access. Yet many passengers don't realize that basic economy fares often exclude overhead bin space, forcing them to gate check bags. To avoid this trap, read fare rules carefully. Consider modest upgrades for guaranteed bin access, or choose carriers with simpler policies. When gate agents ask for boarding groups, know that a little extra spend on priority boarding can spare you the stress of scrambling for space overhead. There you have it. 17 deep dive secrets that give you the upper hand in airports and on planes. Armed with this knowledge, you'll breeze past hidden fees, avoid crowded lines, and stay healthier miles from home. If these tips opened your eyes, subscribe and click the notification bell so you're always ahead of the travel curve. Safe skies and catch you in the next video.